Welcome, all Romanian enthusiasts, to this 30-day guide or course, if you want, into getting familiar with Romanian. This is an exclusive first-timer kind of content that we have here on the Romanian Academy. If you've followed us for a while, you know that we do a lot of things like grammar, culture, a lot of vlogs recently, very different content than this one. This is a unique chance, though, for all of you who have not yet defined a system or a proper way to learn Romanian to get familiar and build these habits in the next 30 days or so. So, guys, if you have been looking for a way to learn Romanian and you really struggled, if you asked ChatGPT about too many different ways of learning Romanian none had worked, then you are in the right place, because this time we're giving you practical solutions, practical tools, explanation, and you'll get at the end something really cool that I will mention in a second. So you get this thing here, this checklist, to guide you and to tick some boxes literally in the next 30 days, because we want every time to do some incremental checkpoints, that you will get something at every single stage, basically every single day. So starting today until the 30th of January, you will go through a lot of different systems, processes, and a lot of knowledge at the end of the day that you will find extremely useful in your Romanian journey. Without any further ado, this was basically the first class here, getting ready to, understand the system. And what we'll do now is go through this schedule that we'll have in the next 30 days. So the first thing after today, tomorrow basically, we'll go into the world of translators, Google Translate, the different other ones that are definitely more useful than Google Translate, because let's be honest, that is crap. Sometimes helpful, but not with Romanian yet. Then we'll go through not Doom, but DOM. You'll see what that means soon. Conjugare, which is the most important place for verbs. A random word generator that will come very handy when you want to practice, just, get a lot of vocabulary in and find yourself in a position of learning vocabulary, building that Romanian memory that will find you in a better position after you get into the patterns of learning vocabulary, which we'll do later, but not right now, not in this first week. Then cuvinte care, so words that begin and end with different letters, because honestly, the lexicon of Romanian is very interesting, very different probably than what you are aware of in your own language. So you might want to learn different types of words that have something in common, right? And then finally, because what's best is at the end usually, at the end of week 1, we'll go through Dex Online, one of the most misused tools, I think, in Romanian learning. So that will get a lot of explanation, right? And since it's January and most people get into a very awesome yet not always finished bucket list at the beginning of every year, bear in mind that you find this checklist in the comments and in the description, so you can get to it, tick those boxes, keep yourself accountable. And if that's not enough, I'll show you that there are more ways to keep yourself accountable. In week 2 and 3, we'll go through a lot of grammar topics, explanations, different types of nomenclature, so different terms in grammar and phonetics, like verbs, nouns, adjectives, pronouns, and articles. The beginner kind of set to begin with, and then the more advanced stuff that comes from week 3 prepositions, pronouns, past tenses, future tenses, moods, voices, and cases. So the big and daunting, scary parts of Romanian grammar. Then in week 4, we move to very practical tools of learning vocabulary, learning reading, learning writing, listening, speaking, the different types of speaking production, like when you, for instance, have a speech in front of people, and then interaction, when you interact with people, when you're not just having a monologue, but when you speak to people and they reply to you. And finally, at the end of week 4, we'll have a learning plan. Don't worry, this is not the only time you will get a real output out of this. Every single day you will get to do something. There will be a task every day, and you will see more about each and every single one of them in their respective videos. So we will do a learning plan depending on your needs. It will be suited on your needs. So at the end of week 4, day 28, you will have a learning plan if you haven't had it already. But before that, you really need to go through learning about all the tools and terms that you will find in learning Romanian. Finally, in the last 2 days, as I said earlier, you will find an accountability buddy. And I will help you with that. Because there are many ways, from knowing yourself a Romanian speaker to, not being so lucky, not having Romanians around you. And that's exactly what we'll help you with in day 29. Finally, day 30th, not 30th. I don't know why I said 30th. So day 30th of January, to link the two together, we'll have here on YouTube, we'll have a live Q&A session where I will answer all your questions, where you and other Romanian learners will join us into finding any unanswered questions, any clue that you may need to keep yourself going on this Romanian journey in the weeks, days, months, years to come. Who knows? Maybe you want to be fluent. And this is why we're here, to help you exactly with that. Guys, if you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe to the channel if you're new. Join us on this journey. If you're already here for a while, if you're a subscriber to the Romanian Academy, join us in the next 30 days in January. Make yourself this free present, really, because everything that's going to happen in the next 30 days is free, available on YouTube, and should help you keep yourself accountable and build a system that works for learning Romanian. And you cannot do that without learning all these things in the next 29 days, because today is almost over, right? And you can even check this box. So get yourself this sheet, this checklist from the comments or the description, and tick this box. This is your task for today. It's that easy. And then comment in the description your goals about learning Romanian. And then we will see each other tomorrow for day 2. La revedere!